Welcome to this guided meditation. Settle into a comfortable position. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Close your eyes and settle your attention on the flow of your breath as it moves in and out. Not trying to change it in any way, just breathing naturally. Notice the breath beginning and ending. Be aware of the space between the breath in and the breath out, and the space as the breath out turns into the next breath in, staying with the entire length of the breath. From time to time, you'll notice that your attention becomes distracted. Just by noticing that you've become distracted and coming back to the breath, you're doing everything right. Letting go of the thought, sensation or feeling that pulled the mind away before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. Now gently rest your attention. If your mind wants to concentrate, allow that to happen. If your mind wants to be distracted, allow that to happen. Now, taking one last deep breath in and out. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. See if your practice today leaves some residue of calm and mindfulness in the rest of your day. I hope this practice has been helpful. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too. And subscribe for new meditations every week.